yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica is here with another reaction. Ooh. As it's war season, guys. As it's war season. Let's say shut a fire over this or shut a fire around this. So why not go back to one of the most iconic, one of the most, not saying it is, but one of the most iconic clashes that divided Jamaica in a two. Yes, the most recent one with Vybz Kartel and Mavado. So, this was Sting 2008. Live on stage, Kartel and Vybz are going at it. I'm going to jump in the one and see. And take a recap. Go down memory lane for a bit. Let's go. Vybz Kartel, Mavado, Sting 2008. 2008. Let's go.
When they're ready, some boy think them can't, yo. Tap it. Sing.
Where were you when this was taking place? Where were you? Remember to look down on the comment section. You can see one link on the second reaction channel. You know why? Bomba clap. Send them out. Send them out. Just divide Jamaica, brother. Let me go into the clip on them. Send them out. Sniper.
Send them out. Some boy attack about bomba clad Gaza. I don't know them
Dead.
Your mama think you're
Coming home, but you're not.
Them love to chat. When the police are boy then you come like a joke thing.
Yo, Sting ram up in a dog. Like make a nice piece of money that year then, boy. Alright then. The anticipation of the Gaza boss. Watch out. The body await. Everybody await. Bumbo clan. Alright then. You are going for the car. When they might try, the most blood clot fool. War start. That's the two man, them man. Comment section. I want you guys to be active and be honest. Who took the clash? In this meetup, who took the clash? Just be honest. Alright?
Yo, turn up this. Yo, turn up this one. And shut up. Yo. Give me a mix. Hey, no, I don't
Let's see what I did.
Yo. What this crazy?
This little boy head that
Yo.
That's gonna give boy clear. Never know. Let the ear get here. Bumbo clan. Don't pull up. Ugly. So me kill them on here like Bulby. Alliance to talk they were. But this up me both. We see in the country. Defend Bunty, RJ.
Bunty have nothing to do with this.
Defend Bunty. Come back here like you are lucky. Hey! Watch Leng. Blood clot Leng.
Don't stop it. Hey.
Na. This is me a rule. Blood clot. Watch blood clot not feel just like one character from Mortal Kombat. No fear Kung Fu warrior forward go.
See me step out ya.
We put gunshot in the dark mode ya. See me step out ya. Yo! On the spot.
Sick. What on there? When the step out now, soldier down. What on? Him step out like soldier. Surrender. You are pussy like
we under Brenda.
Got it? So you're so pussy like a Adiza. Lure.
Class, man get couple booties in.
He step out like soldier. And Mr. Palmer. He step out like feds. I informer. I got shot in a
On the spot. On the spot.
Level.
Bucklat.
Turn up my mind. Don't try about bucklat.
I swear to God, even though me I watch it, goosebumps. I swear, goosebumps, bro. Like, no joke. Right now, me I watch it, me I get goosebumps, bro. I swear.
When you feel like when you can't sabotage this, maybe see the real gangster them now. Gossa.
Sang, brother, sang. Him get a chance to drop a song. This just say anything, Mavado, man. Anything, alright, this brother. Anything, bro. The whole crowd I wait for you to drop something, and you don't do nothing. That's a dog.
Sabotage this. Maybe see the real gangster them now. Gossa.
If you never drop a song, they say, yeah. Watch out. Watch it, crowd. You know, say, nah.
DJ. Pussy. Nobody can move. Level. I'm gonna kill him, Bumbuckler. Level. So how you feel for Sababa? Portmore. You're a boy dead now. Level. One's up. Come see the Alliance fans then.
It might take too long. That's why them a boy me now. It might take too long. That's why them a say boo. You see me? Him just hype up the crowd a while ago too and never drop nothing. He never said nothing this a while ago. Look like I don't know if it was nerve or him a forget him lyrics them or what, but something did off right there, so something did off.
Come see the Alliance fans then. What the Alliance fans them there? One of them.
Drop a song, no, bro. Bumbleclad.
Full clip, gonna slip and run.
3-time music, got the bucket tongue out.
Level.
Got to have a base soldier back to blood clot.
Don't buy out the blood clot argument. Can you come on the attack? My sister to your family no puss. Talk, Jazalik. Don't come too near enough. Jazalik, talk. How you do? My boy, look. Jazalik, talk.
What you do, brother, man?
If you know Jazalik, what's up?
Gunshot. A gunshot at every day.
Level. Portmore. Level. Me a load my gun, me a come the magazine, me done. In this, rocking time was I done. Kill the beast of the purpose and fun. Bodyguard, my pop, and the run, pussy run.
Yeah. Lyrics.
Can you come out in a police who know? All in front of Adams, AK balance. Gunshot a crap and you skin
like Madans. Lyrics.
Who's so you talk about Adams? Me shoot police. You
Huh?
know that? Level. I know you trim people.
I know you trim people.
I know you jerk chicken.
I know you jerk chicken.
Level. Kartel. Tell me boy. You're the barber boy. You're a little barber. Go sir.
Him call Kartel a little barber this a while ago. See, I the nerve, you know, bro. Cause this hard for doing, you know. This fucking hard for doing, bro. That me I telling you, know, dog. I no joke thing this, you know.
Level.
This clash hard for the front of the whole world, bro.
Tell me boy. You're the barber boy. You're a little barber. Go sir. Yo, hear me answer. Level down.
Come on, Vado, man. Come on.
Level. Hear me answer now. Level. Yeah.
Let's go, Vado. Let's go.
One tap, I'm gonna kill him. I'm gonna talk, go sir. You might buy it for my name. I'm in all look. You live up for my name. I'm in all. She's like girl. What the poor sus.
And this is the way you got flavor. No post. Yeah.
Lure. Sting. Some boy does. Shot. Give them out. You can't stop me. Lure. Me not no pin the favor. No post. Let me tell you this. You're not no pin the attack. Hey boy, I'm a DJ. You're not the soldier man that bust your blood clot face. No. You're not no pitney. Me can't DJ me song. No. Me can't DJ me song. Level. No. Listen. The electric, your shawty can't drink me. This son, you are mine and the soldier.
The yellow man beat me. Blood clot.
Level.
The electric, your shawty can't. Don't know your man and the soldier man beat me.
All of the thugs them. Level. 4 more thugs them. Now look you back. And in the year you are real top at top. Now support Addy. And him up. Him fuck Jeffrey. Straight gunshot. Why can you shame them once you? Low. You know what I'm saying for this, low.
Throw it up.
You are going nice. That can't help your pussy.
Man, throw it up.
You are going nice. Low. Say no. Low.
Level.
Say no. This is coming. Hey boy.
Make him talk, make him talk.
I'm Mavado on the come finish up. I'm Mavado band. See the blood like coffee. Sting level. So now the coffee coming here, go grave him. No police and this year's
can't save him.
The people like him to share. Don't shut him. You must have no yes. Full level. Level. What on there? Imaniam right, sorry, Imaniam.
Spice.
Level.
Imaniam right, sorry, Imaniam Spice.
You are crushed level, sorry, you are crushed. You are so fuck with food. You are.
No, that one never. Him should have changed the lyrics.
No. Let me tell you, it's Mavado. Me know you spice, you touch chat, you watch
Chat.
out. Before you can deal around a house
back.
You want to see the teachers stack up the
Blood clot. What?
Different. Bomba clot down. All that man never know, sir. When we come to see that name, blood clot please. Go, sir. And I say him no one.
Say him no one. Told me I'm feel, but me know them can't give them top of it.
Let me tell you this. He must be going to anyway. Nice infrared for him. When you are rushing things so far, you tell the blood clot. Rush on. Me must be going there anyway. If you got the office, I bullet that on them over. And this and this.
This information
When this squeeze
is in left at the head that is. Forward. Say pass me gun, give boy clear. Never knows that the ear get there. Please at the chair of the skin, these land goes up the skin, in the West Indies. Miss, tell me alright, guys. Oh, class. Clash up. Come on, I want you to know that I will do that. If you're this one, I'm friend, then I will do that back. Vybz again.
Level. We don't have to kill him now.
Yeah.
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 Him step out.
You know what? Surrender. You must pussy like we under Brenda.
That's how you first the war. Run to the star. Kill the body ashes.
Yeah. Clot.
Yo. You know, come and see if you surrender your army. I'm Mr. Palmer, me just like the army. You're so pussy buns in that punani. Me have the most blood clot them.
You're so pussy. About it, one no God.
What that for?
What that for? You call man for go be fuck your mother. Oh, what that for?
What that for?
Well, go listen to the talk, youngster. Go listen when fuck attack. The bottom wanna make a bagalak. Hold on. Some people me say na hell. Me never kill nobody else and like them a tell gunshot in a watch a youth. Kartel, we make Jeffrey like Mary. About him and them. And that's why Jeffrey tattoo your name for him with that. Yago Berry.
Somebody please tell my father. And last time we didn't fuck your mother. But did you lie about him and father? You can't. No.
You get a Buddha so still.
No, fuck mother. Level. Let me kill him now before I go away. You can't kill me. You're in bed now. To be out clot. Don't fuck my mother. Kartel a freaky. You watch your mother
when you are peep.
Pussy Kartel you can't. You are where my boy?
Bomba clan.
Me now move. Call him on boy. Baba boy, call him on boy. Call on the Baba. Don't run. People don't see a blood clot one and the DJ a coward. And the DJ a coward.
Who win the clash? 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 In a phone opinion. It's just your opinion. Don't abuse anybody in the comment section. Don't tell anybody if you suck them mad in the comment section. Them comment they get black anyway. So don't do none of them shit there. Just give me your opinion. Who win the clash from here. So if a draw, a draw. If Kartel win, if Mavado win, say that in the comment section. Please also do remember there's a link in the comment section that's pinned. That's my second reaction channel. Go and give it a sub, please. I'm trying to get to 1,000 sub over there. All right. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys down there. Peace.